Good afternoon, this is Steve Jones, about 4:20 p.m., August 1st, 2025. I have a lifetime addiction to weather, clouds, lovely scenery. I'm in Garrett County, Maryland, about 2,850 feet above sea level. Gorgeous sky. A cold front came through with showers and thunderstorms yesterday afternoon, drizzle this morning. I'm at a wedding rehearsal venue for my wife's sister's grandson. Heaven on earth. Who can argue with the beauty, the absolute pleasure of a cool summer afternoon, 65 degrees, 1st of August. I'm addicted to this county, to this weather, and to its nature.